For hundreds of years, flatbread has been a staple food in Norway. It takes very little equipment to make and it lasts very long. I'll show you how to make those. Ytste Skotet was one of the best grain farms in Stordal. Barley and oat were the most common, but during the Second World War they also planted wheat. Rye was cultivated in the late 1800s. With the building of the watermill, it became possible to make large quantities of flatbread. We had a very dry spring. The amount of water isn't enough to move the mill. It had to be grinded by hand, but it didn't go as fast. Here I used about 2 parts wheat, 1 part warm water and a bit of salt. Dust well the surface and don't press the roll hard in the beginning. They held flatbread baking days twice a year. It was a lot of work and everybody would take part. At Skotet, the women would roll out the dough and the men would bake it. It was common to get extra help from the bakstesharing, ladies that were expert in this type of baking. Bake it at low temperature, turning every now and then until it's stiff. Opposed to flour, flatbread, if done and stored properly, can last for years. Norwegians appreciate flatbread with butter while eating soup or stew, or even crumble it over their meals.